It is Vlogmas day 9. I don't know. I don't even know. I'm just vlogging. Some people don't know how to drive. I am heading to Pauline's house. We're gonna make some Christmas cookies. My brother is coming too, so I'm super excited. It's like a family tradition, so we always make sugar cookies and decorate them with frosting. We're here at Pauline's. We're making Christmas cookies.
Oh, Christmas cookie time.
Rolling out the dough.
Oh yeah.
Cute little shapes.
I'm dying. And first tray is going in the oven.
Ooh.
Say it.
I don't know what to do.
We're gonna do a decorating contest with these cookies and see who can make the most creative, the most creative cookie.
Bonnie's got a little
whatever.
more character. That's got a little more character.
Oh,
Siobhan's looks like a cute little 3-year-old did it.
Yeah.
Sierra looks like an adult did it.
Comment below whose is best.
How do I save it to my phone though?
Hold it.
Wait, do what? They were looking for it everywhere and it was in the car the whole time.
Oh, that's so sad.
That's horrid.
So I think right now I'm gonna clean my room because it's such a mess and I'm sick of looking at it and it makes me just so annoyed when I have a messy room. So I think I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna make some pasta for dinner. I got some rigatoni noodles and then just like a 4-cheese pasta sauce. So I'm just gonna put that together, make that for dinner, and then just chill for the rest of the night. I like don't even want to show you guys my room. It's so messy, it's disgusting. I think I'm gonna throw on some YouTube while I clean my room just so I have something to listen to. I'm curious. Oh, wait. Live 24-hour Disney Channel holiday throwback episodes? I'm watching that. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my god, I remember this episode. Stop, Lizzie McGuire. Oh, I'm freaking out, you guys. I'm freaking out. I wish I was watching this all day long. Why was I not watching this all day? I am freaking out because even Stevens is on. This used to be my favorite show, literally. Like, I love this show. YouTube is coming in clutch with the 24-hour Disney holiday throwbacks. You guys, like, what? I like want to cry because I've not seen even Stevens in so long. This is insane. I'm like freaking pumped. I don't even know if I'm gonna get my room clean now. I just made some dinner. I made just like some noodles with pasta sauce and Parmesan cheese on top. So I'm gonna eat that. I'm also watching the holiday throwback episodes from Disney Channel and I did not clean my room. So that'll be on the agenda tomorrow. So I'm just gonna eat my dinner and watch these Disney Channel shows. So that is it for this video. I'm so sorry that it ended up being really short. I didn't really do much. I just baked cookies with my fam and that's kind of it. But I'm hoping that the next videos will be a lot longer. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel and keep watching for more vlogs and Vlogmas and other videos and stuff like that. And then you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at Sierra Meyerberg and my Twitter is the same. But yeah, I will see you guys later.